I am Trina Arnold, and I am the Program Director for the Associates of Arts and General Education program in our Adult School of Arts and Sciences. I hold 2 degrees, well, 3 actually. I have a Bachelor of Science and a Master's of Education and also an MBA. And so I know the student's journey. You know, the family life, work life, and then adding school life on top of that. My other instructors in the adult program had the same journey as well. Here at MACU, you have somebody that helps you through the enrollment process, help you through the financial aid process, the registration, and even through your classes. Your instructor is going to help you be successful no matter what type of learner they are. Students can expect taking one of my classes for me to be caring, but also give them good and detailed feedback on all of their assignments, hands-on as much as possible if we hold class on campus, and we also hold the same class online. I get the opportunity to actually blend those classes, and so our online students get that live classroom experience, and so they get the chance to ask me questions, and they get the chance, you know, to listen to their other classmates, and so that's what makes it really special. You know, I always try to design classes that just trying to engage every style of learning and just make it the best experience they can. What makes MACU special is we get to talk about God in all of our classes. We get to pray for students. We know that all students come here, you know, have prior lives, things happen and stuff, but you know, our faculty has been on the same journey as the students have been, you know, work life, family life, and then you're adding school life. And so we all can relate to what's going on, and you know, and we get to pray with students. So we can be that spiritual connection as well as that educational connection. So I think that's what makes MACU special.